What did you do to it?
Don't look at me! I just drive the thing! I have no idea! It was driving fine yesterday!
I'll tell you what's wrong with me. For starters, I haven't had my oil changed in 10,000 miles. I currently have mud for transmission fluid, and my DPF is totally clogged. I am suffocating, Bob!
Bob, you're supposed to submit your daily inspection report. How am I supposed to schedule maintenance if I don't know the truck is crying out for help?
I told you it was making a funny noise on Tuesday.
That's not an official report. I need diagnostic codes.
With all the stuff I have to do, you expect me to file a report? I did tell you!
This truck is supposed to go out tomorrow.
Oh, man.
What are we gonna do?
Guys, please just call Revit Auto before my engine turns into a brick.
Wouldn't it be nice if your vehicles could talk and tell you what they need? Well, with Revit Auto's Downtime Terminator software, they can. Downtime Terminator taps directly into your vehicle's onboard computer, turning complex telematics into easily manageable information. And our AI assistant, Jim, automatically digests the diagnostic data to identify issues before they become problems. It eliminates the guesswork, stops the finger pointing, and keeps your fleet running smoothly.
Stop wasting time and money. Call Revit Auto today.